What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Black Redneck, and I'm back again for another one. Man, I got a treat for you guys. I am about to build the best ATS ETS button box there is. Hands down, hands down. I'm going ahead and claim it. Man, but this is the first video of Raw Image Gaming. Y'all guys go ahead and feel free to subscribe because there will be more content. And I'm all set up, guys. We got cameras going, and I'm ready to do a time lapse, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna do a voiceover and explain to you guys what I'm gonna do and everything. So y'all guys just stay tuned and watch this button box. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole layout. Looking pretty nice, pretty nice. Don't talk about my handwriting. But let's go ahead and get into this, guys, because I can't wait. Now, before I do, now I don't have everything, but that's okay. By next Friday, I will have this button box complete, and you guys gonna see it all in one video. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, guys, this is just me showing you what I have done so far. So I did the pre-drill holes for all the buttons, like the buttons like this. That's the horn button. I did the indicator lights right here. If you guys can see, you got your jet brake, cruise control, diff lock, headlights, high beams, and beacon. So I didn't pre-drill the holes right now because of the toggle switches I ordered. I wound up ordering the small ones and not the big ones. I want to do a Farming Simulator button box pretty soon, so these are my holes for all my diff lock, my trailer drops, the air brakes, the axle drops and stuff. Then you got your air right here, cruise control, you got your windows right here. So, but it's coming along great, guys. This is the rough draft right now. I got all the stuff right there. I had it all cleaned up, and man, all we got to do is wait. So hopefully tomorrow I get to paint this. Get to paint the bottom side. Yes, I am painting the bottom side. It's not going to be black. I am wrapping this front part, and I can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait to show you the finished product. So stay tuned, guys, and I will get back with you. All right, guys, we back, and we're about to sand these boxes down. So we got this sander. I believe I'm on 200 grit. I don't know if I'm going to go finer each time I go, but I just want to go ahead and get a rough draft and get this painted and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it sideways so that way I can spray and everything can kind of go down even. And then I'm gonna go around and start doing the outside and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna swap to the camera on the side and let's get down to this. All right, guys, so I got everything sand down, so I'm about to get ready and go ahead and spray paint everything. So here we go. It's getting there. It's getting there. All right, guys, I kind of skipped a little bit of the beginning of the painting and stuff, but you see I am painting it white. I went over a lot of coats just to get it that solid white that I want it to be. But you guys, I still got a little more work to do, a little more painting, a little more coats, but it's coming along well. I'm not really too busy to worry about the back end. It's more the front end. So this right here, this just to match my whole setup. My whole setup is white and black, going with the whole white and black thing. So you guys just, man, the best button box. And I got him. I got my switches that I should have got to begin with, but that's cool though because I got a button box for these switches here. So, and I also got these ordered, so those should be in. Some more of these, and then I have got, what else I have got? Oh, the toggle extensions for these. So everything is coming together. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm ready to put these switches in, guys. So. Look what finally came in the mail, and we got our encoders. It took forever. We got the wires and stuff. The wires that came with it was these. They got a lot longer, so those gonna stretch over. We got a USB cord, then we got all our cut connections. Check that out, guys. So let's go ahead and get into this. Guys, I have been working my freaking butt off. Look at this. And I'm not even done. Right now I'm putting standoffs for the motherboard. I done drilled me a little makeshift hose. Look at the other one. And look at the wires. Oh, it's crazy. But stay tuned, guys. I'm just giving y'all an update. I kind of slowed down recording every little step. But I guess whenever I start to hook everything up into the motherboard to test everything, I will show you guys that. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Now I'm about to start on the ignition. Make sure I get that all right. But look at that, guys. So far, you got your horn light up. You got your activate and your fuel. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Let's hook up the other one. Man, look at this thing right here. Looking clean. I like how I did the buttons and stuff. Got them all color coordinated. And then this is the back. This side is a lot cleaner than the other one. But I'm not finished yet right now because I'm going to do the ignition. But as you guys can see, I got it hooked up to here. Now this board, here I'm going to show you. This board is like a keyboard. So it's like pretty much like one of these. So it reads as a keyboard. So I'm gonna see if I can get this to change out and maybe reprogram it and get it to be a Joy Control. And I'm gonna see how that goes. I don't know. Maybe if somebody knows, let me know in the comment. So trial, error, I'm learning. So I'll know what I'm doing next time. Alright guys, I have everything programmed now, I think. So let's go ahead and turn the key. We already got the lights on, so we're gonna go ahead and show you the lights. And you got your high beams. Let me turn it back on. Then you got your four-ways. Then you got your beacons, as you can see. Then you got your jet brake. You got your up and down on your jet brake. Got your trailer release. You got your tractor brake, trailer brake. You have your map. And then the second one is your display. And then that one is your mirrors. And then photo mode. You got your diff lock. And I will be switching out these switches too. These are the last thing I need to do. And after that, I can wrap, put it all together, and be done. All right, guys, here we are. We have the finished product. The best button box for ATS, hands down. I claim it as far as DIYs. But let's go ahead and go over the buttons, guys, and then I'm just gonna, use it a little bit so you guys can see the buttons work, I guess. So let's go ahead and we're gonna start off here. We got your cruise control and your air ride system here. So you pretty much cruise control here. You flip the switch. You got an indicator light on that comes on. You got your set, resume, increase, decrease. You have your air ride for your front and back, or your steers and your drive. You got your windows, your map, your display, your mirrors, your photo mode. You have your axle drops for your truck and trailer, your diff lock, your jet brake with your increase, decrease, the trailer release, the trailer and tractor brake. You have your beacon, your hazards, your high beams, your lights, your wipers, activate, fuel, ignition, and then you have your spares. All of them hooked up, everything works. I just still need to go in and button up some stuff. But let's go ahead and use it. So far, like the ignition, that's one thing I need to add to it. I need to put the second position on here. Right now I just got it on first position, which is, it's cool. It works. So let me get my mic adjusted real quick. Okay, got my stuff, got everything hooked up the way I need to. So got our stick, our gear shifter, whatever you want to call it. It has the Eaton Fuller style shifter knob on there, which is, I like it. And if some of you guys want to know what steering wheel I'm using, the G920. Oh, we grinding some gears? Are you serious? Okay, so let's go ahead and get out of here. We just dropped off some pallets. Just empty pallets. That's it. What's up, Pooh Kitty? That's Pooh Kitty right over there, guys. If y'all guys didn't know, she will be riding with us for many journeys. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out of here. Ears. Yeah, now we can hit them like I want to. That's what I'm talking about. We got 18 gears in this thing. Okay, we kind of picking up speed. Let's slow down a little bit. So You got your jet brake right here. You can set your cruise control. You know, you can turn it up. You can hit your brake, and when you hit your brake, it turns off. You hit resume, and it goes right back to where it was. You got your wipers. Your lights, your high beams. I don't have beacons on here, but your hazards work and stuff. And then now, since I know some of y'all probably is like, what you gonna use on these spares? See, now they done updated to the 1.53. So now I'm using one of the spares as a you know, to slide my tandems back and forward. Okay, we're gonna have to get over. Let's go ahead and use that jet brake a little bit. And let's go ahead and pull over on the side of the road. I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that was working and everything, but you guys, it's crazy. I finally got it completed. So let's go ahead and pause that so we won't have no background noise. But here it is, guys. So far, I have done 9 boxes. So I've done like 2 of them for a couple of friends here, like one for a co-worker, and then one for one of my friends, old friends. And then the rest of them is like my online buddies and stuff. I'm actually shipping out one tomorrow. It's going to Wisconsin. And then I got another one, which is I can do a video on that one. And that one is going to be for California. And that's for Farming Simulator 25. So I'm excited to show you guys that box. That's coming soon. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys want one of these boxes, let me know and we can work something out. With that done said, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So salute and see ya.